Hello, this is Mike McCloy with Twin Harbor Web Solutions with a quick tip for you here today: how to use and how to generate and create a sitemap file for your Waypoint site. There's a new feature in Waypoint, released recently, that completely automates this process. So let me just go over what it is, what it does, and why you should enable it. So here we have one of our sites, just a very simple site with a number of pages in it. And let's say we want to create a sitemap for this. So we're going to go to Settings, and down to Sitemap Settings. And in this screen, this is where you enable it. So in this case, we have Enable Sitemap is turned on. What that's going to do is basically every day or every so often automatically generate the sitemap file. The sitemap file essentially is an XML file, which you'll see the file name is set right here. An XML file that maps out all the different pages in your whole site. And so as you're working on your site and adding pages and stuff, when this sitemap feature is turned on, it'll automatically update itself on a regular basis with a link to every page in your site. Search engines will come along and use this file, search engines like Google, to find where all the stuff is on your site. They'll parse it manually anyway, but it's just a nice thing to give them. It just helps them make it easier for them to search your site, which is always a good thing. The next option here is create or update a robots.txt file. The robots.txt file is essentially a file, just a text file on the root of your website, which tells the search engines where this sitemap file is. So by default, you want to turn this on. If for any reason you're using a robots.txt file for something else, you can put other rules in there. If you're doing it manually, you can just turn this off and update it by yourself, and that'll prevent it from overwriting whatever you have in there. So keep that in mind. So once you're done, you can just click Save. That's now enabled. And if you want to just go ahead and generate it right now, you can say use this button to generate the sitemap file below. Generate now, and it says sitemap created. So it's created that file. If the file's in place, it'll keep itself updated automatically, and that's all you have to do.